Thanks for dropping by or coming back. If this is your first time here at Bob's Workshop, well, I think you've picked a good episode to watch today. Recently, I've been rediscovering my interest that lies between Disney and Lionel. I've added a few things to my collection from the 1977 and 78 catalogs where Lionel carried the Mickey Mouse Express. In this episode, I repaint a boxcar to go along with those earlier offerings, and it turned out really good. I'm very proud of it, and I hope you enjoy watching how I put it together. So, here it is. The official birthday of Mickey Mouse goes back to his first animated appearance in 1928's Steamboat Willie. If you go by the printing on this Lionel boxcar from 1994, Mickey's 65th birthday may be off by 1 year. But this was not the first high-cube boxcar from Lionel to feature birthday wishes for Disney's main mouse. 6-9672 was an uncatalogued offering in 1978 to mark Mickey's 50th birthday, and because of that rarity, it's become somewhat pricey. I'm showing these current eBay ads from most to least expensive, and $168.09 for an example whose white plastic has yellowed dramatically over time, well, that just seems crazy to me. This particular high-cube boxcar can be found pretty cheaply. I repainted an earlier one in a movie theme to go with the Mickey Mouse Express that Lionel offered in 1977 and 78. The shell on this one uses the same molds as the earlier Disney boxcars, so repainting is pretty easy. White sides, and then the roof, sliding doors, and end spaces are painted a contrasting color. If you've watched any of my earlier videos on repainting trains, then this part should be familiar. Cleaning and scrubbing with Dawn dishwashing soap, followed by wet sanding with 600 grit or finer paper. The yellow tape is from Tamiya. It has very good adhesion and is also thin enough to conform to both any recessed or raised areas.
all of which is important in keeping paint from seeping beneath. I usually end up with very crisp lines because of Tamiya tape, but I'll use paper and blue painter's tape for the larger and less critical areas. The 1978 Lionel catalog is a good place for inspiration, but the 96-72 Boxcar will not be found here. Remember, it was uncatalogued, but I was able to find a fairly good side image online, which I imported into a program called Pages on my MacBook. I removed the old lettering and recreated the text myself so that it would be crisp and clear. Once the graphics are printed onto white decal paper, I'll spray them with a flat, clear finish. At this point, they're nearly like any other decal. I just need to trim them to conform to the molded ladders on the Boxcar sides. I won't be using a decal setting solution because I've found that it doesn't work and play well with inkjet decal paper. If you're looking to repaint a Boxcar, I cannot recommend the Lionel High Cube highly enough. It's nearly perfect with its big rectangular sides, and disassembly and reassembly could not be any easier than this. Here are the 50th and the 65th birthday cars side by side. The gold paint I used is a little different than the 1994 model, but I'm still happy with it. If you're happy with this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.